Common types of roasting. Drum roasting. Drum type roasting machine roasts the coffee beans as they tumble in a rotating drum that typically heated by gas or wood. Hot air roasting. Roast the coffee grounds as they tumble on a current of hot air. Degrees of roasting coffee beans. We have light roast, medium roast, and lastly we have the dark roast. Level of roasting. We have light, pale, or New England roast that has a shelf life of 21 days. Medium city or American roast had 14 days of shelf life, while full, high, or Venice roast has 10 days of shelf life, and lastly espresso or French Italian roast has a shelf life of 7 days. Type of roast. We have light roast. Some of the characteristics of light roast are light brown in color, night shiny, light body, and no oil. And the flavor characteristic of it has a higher level of acidity than darker roast and toasted grain taste, while the common names are light city, half city, cinnamon roast, and New England roast. And now we have the medium roast. The characteristic of medium roast are medium brown shade, more bodied than the light roast, and no oil, while the flavor characteristic are milder level of acidity, exceeding more balanced flavor, aroma, and acidity, and the common names are regular roast, American roast, city roast, and breakfast roast. Medium dark roast. The characteristic of it is have a richer, darker color with some oil, a little bit shiny, and the flavor characteristic are it has a low level of acidity, have a bit bitter and smoky or even burnt taste, while the common names are French roast, Italian roast, espresso roast, and etc. Now we have the dark roast. The main characteristic of it has a dark shade of brown to black with lower density, and the flavor characteristic are it has a notable flavors and aroma, somewhat spicy in taste, while the common names are full city roast and its